Set me free, Beavis. Set me free.
Hey, butthead. Change it or kill me.
Is that Billy Idol?
This is a story.
Yeah. The story is, once upon a time, Fonzie dyed his hair blonde and got on his motorcycle.
Yeah.
And, then he started singing and this woman dropped this TV out of her window.
No way. Then he got in a motorcycle accident. And there was blood. The end.
Whoa, it's that Weird Al dude.
There's gonna be a fight?
Yeah, it's gonna be one of those girl fights.
Fight, fight.
Whoa, he's gonna get some because he's Weird Al.
Yeah. If you're famous, all you have to do is just walk up to chicks and say, give me some.
Yeah.